The bamboo in my front garden died back quite a bit over the winter, and is now send out a lot of shoots, and it's really become quite invasive in the border at the front here. And we've decided to dig it out and maybe leave a few bits in, but try and contain it and replant the border. We've got a few bits in there which we do like. There's a big Trachycarpus and a Fetzer, and we'll leave those. And I think we're going to put some bananas in and a Tetrapanax and try and smarten it up a bit. And we'll keep you updated with the progress during the year. Now, I've got a hole here where I took a butterbur out, which I was a bit worried about. And we wanted a big leaf plant to replace it. So we saw these wonderful colocasia pink chinas in Savin's nursery. And we thought it would go particularly well with the pink flamingos. Now, this bed is very wet. We keep it wet because there's a gunner in it, and it's very clayey. So it's one of those holes where I've dug it quite deep and put a bit of this sort of grit in the bottom, together with some chicken pellets, to try and aid the drainage, so that over the winter the corms or the bulbs, whatever, are not sitting in water, and there's try and reduce the possibility of rot. Now, apparently these bulbs you can leave in, and they're one of the hardy colocasias. So we'll see what happens. We're going to leave it in over winter, maybe put a covering of mulch over it, and hope for the best. Apparently they don't really need any pruning or much in the way of care other than a nitrogen feed, and they do spread. But I think if you've got one in your garden and you are a bit worried about you're in a cold northern area, it might well be worth lifting them. But as I say, I'm going to take the risk with this and see what it does with the mulch over the top. I saw these couple of statues at Cherry Lane Garden Centre, and they were half price, and I thought, actually I think I'm going to buy those. One of them had a foot missing and the paint was coming off, and they looked a bit rough, and I thought, well, I'll spray them up. I bought a cheap can of spray paint, of grey spray paint, and I spray them up and see what they look like. I do think I'll be painting them every year, though. I can't imagine that's going to stay on for long. But there you go. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Goodbye.